What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and I'm not sure if you know this about me or not, but I have a love-hate relationship with lawn care. Like, I love the smell of fresh cut grass, I love how it looks when it's done, but I hate the time that it takes to get there, which is the main reason why I've been testing out a lot of robot lawnmowers recently. The idea of automating my life as much as possible has definitely got the best of me. Today, you guessed it, we're testing out yet another one. This is the RoboUp T1200 Pro. Well, it's a little Lego set of it. The actual robot lawnmower is a little big to bring in the studio. The T1200 Pro is an all-wheel drive wire-free lawnmower that has been running around cutting my parents' yard for a few weeks now. So without further ado, let's roll it back to an unboxing setup. We'll talk about its smart features and most importantly, how it actually cuts your lawn. When the T1200 Pro shows up, the box is going to be smaller than you'd expect for a mower. Inside, you'll find some documentation, the mower itself, the RTK base station with installation poles and receiver head, replacement stickers for the charging base, a Trident ground stake for the RTK pole, all the power cables, some stakes for the charging base, some replacement blades, and the charging base itself. Setup is super easy here. Assemble the RTK pole, find a home for it, stake the charging base into the ground, connect the power cable, plug it in, and drop the mower on to start charging. It is worth noting that the robot does need a strong Wi-Fi connection for setup, and the RTK base station needs a clear line of sight for navigation, so do keep that in mind when finding a home for it. I had to move it around a few times before I found a spot that worked for it. From there, the next step in the setup process is to map out your lawn. Mapping is as easy as driving the robot around like an RC car to trace the boundary of your property. If you need to expand your map later on, you can add to it without starting over in the app. Overall, getting up and running with the T1200 Pro is a breeze. Next up, let's talk navigation and cutting performance. The T1200 Pro is the first mower that I've used that uses an RTK pole for navigation. This is a bit interesting for me because this allows the robot to pull GPS data along with info from the base station to be ultra precise in how it moves. Every time that I had this robot run, it did its thing and never strayed out of its zone, and it always found its way back to the base station even when it was starting to get dark out. Those rugged off-road tires paired with the all-wheel drive allow it to roll right over bumps and uneven spots without getting hung up. During my testing, it hasn't once got stuck. Navigation is definitely one of the strong points of the T1200 Pro. What's neat is that when it starts to get dark out, the robot does have a set of headlights that kick on for nighttime and early morning cuts. It's also super quiet when it's cutting, so it's not going to wake up or disturb the neighborhood. As far as cut quality goes, this thing is impressive. Our yard that I tried it in comes out looking like it's been professionally groomed every single time. The cuts are clean, even, and it trims right up to the edge, which saves me from having to touch things up with a trimmer. The disc blade system chops grass into fine little clippings that mulch back into the yard, feed the soil, and make your grass healthier over time. Battery life is solid here too. It finishes my roughly 1/3 of an acre long yard on a single charge in roughly 3 to 4 hours. If you've got bigger property, it'll just dock, it'll recharge, and pick right back off where it left off after it tops its battery off. And lastly, let's talk about the RoboUp companion app. Once you get familiar with it, the app for this robot is nice and simple. There are a lot of settings here, but you get so many customization options. You can set the height of your cut, no-go zones, split your yard into zones, schedule mowing times, adjust the boundaries, and much more. The live map also shows you exactly where it's cutting. Once you have the settings that you want, you don't really have to touch the app at all, especially if you have things set up on a schedule. This is very much so a set it and forget it lawn care system, which is exactly what you want from a robot lawnmower. At the end of the day, the RoboUp T1200 Pro is a solid mower. It's easy to set up, the app is intuitive, the cut quality is great, and the best part is it helps free up your time. If you're looking to add a robot lawnmower to your smart home, the T1200 Pro is a great option to consider. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of the T1200 Pro? Would you use one on your lawn? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!